Maybe you're allergic to that kombucha. Welcome to Bestie Crafts 2019 edition. Today we're going to do journals, personalized journals.
Woohoo! I love journals.
Eat it! Okay, so I purchased this at Craft Warehouse. Remember, it's a local chain up where I live in the Pacific Northwest. There are 8 locations. And I love the store. It was on sale for $1 around Christmas, and I collected them because I do them for all these kids. Thank you. My sister and brother-in-law have 10 kids, I believe.
Holy smokes!
And so it was fun one year. I made them for everybody, and it was really fun. Well, today I'm going to make one for a baker in my life. And so I got this paper from, oh, of course I don't have the...
You know a baker?
I know a baker. But anyway, it's cute. Gosh darn it, I don't have the name of the paper line. Can you look that up?
What is it? What do I do?
Look up cooking or baking time paper. I don't know.
Sure.
Anyway, I want to find out the brand of it, you know, so you guys know. It's been out for about 3 or 4 months. So it probably won't be at the store much longer, but I love it. So what I did was I took, each page has a reverse. I cut these down, actually. I was doing another project. And this one's like a, you know, greasy tablecloth of Pizza Hut. And then flowers. So I think I'm going to do this one. And then this above. I kind of like to do a 3/4 thing when I make a journal. But you can do anything. You can do the tear thing we talked about, where you ink it, and this is a different thing, and you do a little stamp. Whatever, I've done all that. But I'm going to, I think I'm going to use this. Welcome, the kitchen is open, for the front. So, some people can measure well. I'm not great at measuring. So I'm going to use this side, but I'm going to turn it over and lay it here. And then grab a little Sharpie. These are my favorite Sharpies. There you go. Gotta use a T sometimes. And then I'm gonna mark it where it goes. Not too far onto the spiral part, because that would be a problem. Okay, so it's right there, which means it's right there.
Is it called Karen Foster?
Does it look like that?
Kind of.
It needs to look like it for sure.
See, well, it's not the same, but it's kind of the same style. Okay.
Gosh, what brand is that?
I mean, it's going to be hard to figure that out for me.
Well, you did your best.
I did.
If somebody knows it, they can tell me on the messages. So this is going to be the bottom part, and this is going to be the top part. The part that, here we are. So this, what is it?
I was going to say, it could be a recipe book as
That
well.
would be a great idea. You could put tabs on it, you know, that say things that recipes have, like meats and whatever.
Yes.
Right?
Categories.
That's what I mean.
Maybe like desserts.
Sure.
Breakfasts.
Breakfasts. Everyone loves the breakfasts. Okay, I'm making the top part a little bit longer so I can hide it under. And I'm going to take, gonna take my Sukwang. Let's see, right here. And I'm going to find the end of it. Okay, here we go. Like this. Score tape is my favorite. I say it almost, well, several episodes I say it.
Way too much. I mean, we get it, okay?
Sukwang. Love it. I'm going to have some music here.
I might want to move up your little paper up there.
Sorry.
You need some music.
Probably.
I can add music to the
Yeah,
video.
we could always add music. And then it might be.
I
We
mean,
could fast forward this part.
I'm completely bored right now,
Yeah, well, sure.
but with a little music, it might be better.
Might not be as bad,
It might not be as boring.
but close. Oh yeah, that's always a good one.
Just kidding. I really like this project. I'm joking.
Oh, okay.
I do. I like your papers you picked,
Thank you.
and I like your style a lot.
Thanks.
You are a professional crafter,
No,
without a doubt.
that's not true. Okay. There we go. Wah, wah, wah. Oh no. I'll fix it.
It's good.
I'll fix it later, you guys. Okay, on this side. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. Like, dripping sweat hot.
Do you need a little mister?
I probably do.
Oh no. You'll be alright.
Okay.
Just mind over matter right now. Mind over matter. So use your mind. Pretend in
It
your
doesn't
mind
matter.
you're in the. It doesn't matter. In your mind, you're in the Arctic right now, or Alaska. Okay. Alaska.
Okay.
There's a cool breeze right now.
Okay.
You're outside in the trees.
I'm in the trees? What am I doing in there?
You're looking for mushrooms.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's almost mushroom season.
That's true. It already was, wasn't it?
No, it's the fall.
Oh,
We're not quite there yet.
where things get rotten and then spring from the earth in delicious time. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
For sure.
This one? Wait. Yep, this is right.
All I can think about is mushroom hunting right now.
Okay. Where'd you go with last time?
My brother-in-law.
That's right.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah. It was probably 10 years ago.
Yeah. I'd like to go again. What do you need?
An X-Acto knife? Do we have one around here? Yeah, you probably have a pink one. I've seen the pink
Pink?
ones. We're gonna find an X-Acto knife to fix this thing. It's pink.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, that's it. That's the
Since
one.
you said pink, I was able to find it.
Thank you. And because of my Tim Holtz Tonic Studios glass mat, you know,
You can cut whatever you want on it.
I can, and I can put anything on it. What's fun is I painted a bunch of acrylic things over Christmas, and I did it on here, and then I took a razor blade, and it peeled right off. It was fun. I went,
Nice.
not with this, with the real one. Oops.
Did you hear my Australian accent?
That was really close. I thought for a minute Crocodile Dundee was here, or the Alligator Man. Nope, Crocodile Hunter.
No. The
Alligator
crocodile
Man.
hunter, the guy that got stabbed with the
He got stabbed right in the heart.
stingray.
So, should I make it wonky?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
It's cuter.
I like it wonky.
Hey, I put the sign up. It's crooked, I know,
It's
but I
crooked,
don't
but
care.
its door's open. Come into our
Door's
cute
still
little
open.
store.
We're relaxed in here and laid back.
Yes. So, bam! Welcome. The kitchen is open.
That
So in
is
here,
cool.
she could put like things she needs to do for the day, or grocery lists, or whatever, and it can just be her little deal. And then on the back, sometimes I'll put paper on the back, but
I think you should.
you do?
Yeah, because it's kind of like an unfinished
Okay.
recipe book.
Okay.
If you don't,
All right.
it's kind of like, this is really cool, but I don't feel like finishing it.
Oh.
Or I don't know if I want to spend that money on the extra paper. You're not worth it. Okay?
Oh,
You're
is that
just-
what? That's what it means,
Yeah,
huh?
you're not worth it.
Okay. Okay. I gotta fix that then, because she's worth it. There we go.
It's kind of half aid, you know what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying for sure. There it is.
Too bad you didn't have some little tabs.
I know, that'd be cute, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you come up with ideas and I don't expect you to.
I know.
I mean, you have some ideas sometimes, but sometimes you just don't.
Most of the time I don't.
I think I'll do this on the back because it hasn't been there
Ooh.
yet.
I like it.
Yeah, that's just flowers. We'll do this because
really
I need
like
something to match it.
I really like it.
I like it a lot.
Okay,
Cool.
here we go.
I like how you did a big piece and a little piece.
Sure.
Kind of different than the front.
It is a little different from the... No one will even see it, but we need to
No,
sukwang it.
they'll see it all right. They'll see it. When you give it to somebody, they're going to open it as a gift or whatever.
Yeah.
They're going to flip it over and look inside. They want to see the whole thing.
Oh my gosh.
It's an experience.
That's exciting. But I want to make sure I use score tape on this Because on the back, things get shuffled and moved around, and you want it to stick for sure. And score tape is my favorite. Not sure if you know that.
No,
This is your first
No.
video, you'd never know.
No, yeah.
You'd never know. Go ahead.
You'd never care.
Sometimes we just write songs as we're standing or doing stuff. Find a line and the other person echoes. It's called friendship. Okay. No, he doesn't leave me hanging, you know. Okay.
That's true. That's true.
This. Soup wang.
I do my best.
Hashtag Bestie Crafts, you guys.
Don't know if you noticed that big
So-
light board thing.
So we turned on the light box and looks
Well.
terrible lit up. So
I'll
we've
show
been we've been just having it like this because it's easier to see. Oh no, it's not long enough.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to trim the actual cardboard. It's gotta look good, so. Okay, and that
it's
one.
gotta be good.
It's gotta be the best.
All right, here we go. I know some of you may not believe it looks worse with the light on, but it does. I'm gonna show you.
Just because of the way we're filming.
Yeah, because
Because normally it looks awesome in the house.
I wouldn't believe it either.
No. But on
Hey, watch.
digital, it doesn't look good.
There you
Here we go.
go. Go. See,
I
look,
mean,
it's cute, but
sure. But it's kind of hard to see, and it's just how it is on camera. Can't help it.
it just looks a little bit better like
It
this.
looks more happy.
It's sad.
I won that thing because I entered a contest on Heidi Swap's website, and I won a light box. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've always wanted a light box. Oh my gosh. I won 3 light boxes.
What?
3!
How many do you need? You know?
You need 3, apparently. I love it.
It is cool.
It is. I think this
You
is
got to
over
use
too
it
far.
for the craft show.
Yeah.
Oh, which reminds me.
Okay.
Do you think we should do a live stream
Yes.
craft show?
Yeah, I do.
And I wonder if people, you guys, if you want us to do a live stream craft show, could you let us know?
And we could take your, name and say hi on the air.
We
we
could
would.
make something for you even.
We could even make something like we pick like the 3rd viewer on or whatever gets something, or
Whatever. Maybe you say the nicest things about me and I
Yeah.
want to pick you.
He likes that. Don't criticize him for gosh sake.
No. Just
You don't wanna
compliments.
do that.
Oh, earthquake. Earthquake.
Oh no, you did it again!
Oh, hold on. Get under the table, quick.
Get under the table! Under it!
That's good.
You know who's not gonna like that? The missus.
The Danish lady.
She's an expert in this stuff, that's why.
She can't handle that.
No.
I mean, she's professional, just like you.
She's a professional, but in a different... Oh,
Just like you.
it's gonna make noise if you start eating them.
Oh, I'm not gonna eat them. I just want
Oh,
to get it
okay.
out of the camera.
Is it in the camera?
It was. Just the
Oh.
blue part.
Sorry about that.
No, don't
This
be
got
sorry.
jacked up, so I gotta cut this.
It's kind of my job to make sure everything is looking copacetic.
That's right,
you
because
know?
I'm not looking.
You're busy. Oh my gosh, you just ruined it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're...
No! God, please, no! No!
Cannot cut a straight line to save my life.
That's what I know.
That's what you know.
What are you doing?
The problem was this was not long. Now look, there's a space. Washi, I need washi tape. Washi tape.
I don't know why you cut the edge off.
Because this wasn't long enough. And it looks stupid. Black and
So
white.
you washi tape that? Oh, you weren't.
Red and
thinking
white?
about
I don't know what I'm doing.
it. Don't panic. Don't panic. Here's red. Beautiful, beautiful.
It's not washi tape. It's another kind of tape though.
Oh, looky look.
Red. Okay, let's do the red. Because the red matches the stuff on the front.
Yes, same color, same tone. It's good.
That's
so
all-
good.
I was gonna do that and then put this on. Stupid idiot.
You gotta look on the bright side of life. You gotta look on the bright side of life. Don't be mad at yourself.
Okay. All right.
No, I wasn't.
I'm gonna tuck
I really
this
wasn't mad
in.
at myself.
It'll just be a little tuck tuck. And this. Okay. Oh, move it up here so people see what I'm suffering through. Close enough. Oh, it worked.
It looks awesome. Good job.
Thank you. That was rough, everyone. That was a rough time.
Never doubt yourself.
I doubt myself
You
often.
are a craft professional.
This is the front. The inside are blank. This is the back. The washi tucked in there. It's fine. And then on the very back,
You gotta sign it.
I gotta sign it. It's not gonna show up well there. I'll do it here. I don't use that pen. Hold on.
You never do.
It's
Never.
gotta be
Do you
real.
want another pen? I have more.
This is great.
Like the.
This is my favorite.
Oh.
So in here I go. This is just what I do. XOXO, little dot. Aaron, dot. And a heart. Nope, I don't do the heart. I do this.
Too late. You already
Well, I
did
added
it.
a heart. 2019.
Ugh.
It's supposed to be 2019, the year I made it.
How cool.
All right, there it is. Make yourself a journal for somebody. All I needed was like 3 sheets of paper from the scrapbook store that reminded me of the person, you know? Or you're like, oh, that person likes cows. They have, well, this has cows on it, actually, cows and sheep. But they have, in the pet section at most craft stores, not craft stores, sorry, scrapbooking materials stores, because they don't always have it, is a little pig farming thing, little pig, little cow, whatever, you know, or
For a farmer.
someone likes a dog, put dog paper. I could make 50 of these in a heartbeat.
Oh my gosh.
So thank you so much for joining us, and make yourself a journal.